This procedure will assist you with the unboxing and assembly of the PEAK grill. Open the main box and remove the top packaging inserts. Continue opening the main box and remove the packaging as shown. Open the grill lid and remove the leg box and any support packaging. Important: the grill is very heavy. Always use 2 people when lifting the grill. Set the grill assembly down on its back on top of the cardboard to prevent any scratches. Remove the packaging support pieces. Use extra cardboard pieces to prop up the grill assembly for easier leg installation in the following steps. Insert 2 locking caster wheel legs into the left side of the grill assembly. Ensure that the front locking caster wheel leg has the 2 pilot holes. Note: ensure the shelf arm bolt on each leg is facing inward as shown. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, attach the locking caster legs to the grill assembly using 4 assembly bolts. Insert 2 oversized wheel legs into the right side of the grill assembly. Ensure that the front oversized wheel leg has the 2 pilot holes. Note: ensure the shelf arm bolt on each leg is facing inward as shown. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, attach the oversized wheel legs to the grill assembly using 4 assembly bolts. Important: the grill is very heavy. Always use 2 people when lifting the grill. Carefully lift the grill assembly upright and dispose of the excess cardboard. Align the grooves underneath the bottom storage shelf to the shelf arm bolts and slide the shelf into place. Attach the bottom shelf panel to the front legs using 4 assembly bolts. Open the grill lid. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, remove the handle bolts, handle spacers, and grill lid handle. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, attach the grill lid handle and heat transfer plate to the grill lid using 4 handle spacers and 2 handle bolts. Important: keep 2 spacers on each side of the grill lid to minimize heat transfer to the handle. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, attach 1 front shelf mount bracket to the grill assembly using 2 assembly bolts. Note: make sure the holes in the bracket are facing the correct direction as shown. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, attach 1 front shelf mount bracket to the other side of the grill assembly using 2 assembly bolts. Note: make sure the holes in the bracket are facing the correct direction as shown. Attach the collapsible front shelf to the front shelf mount brackets using 2 assembly bolts and 2 shelf spacers. Tilt the collapsible front shelf and lock it into place as shown. To collapse the shelf, lift it up and tilt it down as shown. To use the shelf, lift and tilt it into the locked position. Push down the side shelf support bar. Insert the side shelf pins into the grill and clip the side shelf into place on the side shelf support bar. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, remove the chimney bolts from the chimney as shown and save them for use in the next step. Using the included 10mm socket wrench, attach the chimney using 3 chimney bolts. Attach the chimney cap to the chimney. Important: make sure the chimney cap always stays open. Place the heat shield onto the slider mount brackets. Insert the heat shield adjustment handle into the hole on the right side of the grill and rotate it clockwise to tighten it into the heat shield. Caution: do not over-tighten the heat shield adjustment handle. Important: for proper heat shield positioning, use the marks on the adjustment handle. For even heat distribution, it is recommended that the right grill wall aligns with the 0 mark on the adjustment handle, setting the heat shield approximately 14.5 inches from the left wall inside the grill. Position the grease tray as shown with a circle cutout on the left side and place the tray inside the grill. Note: make sure to insert the grease tray for proper temperature reading and grease drainage. Insert 2 base grill grates as shown. Close the grill lid. Rotate the drip spout latch to hang the grease bucket on the drip spout. Then, place the latch back in place. Attach the antenna to the control board. Congratulations, this completes the unboxing and assembly of the PEAK grill.